this is the mountain view. This is the map of Qingjing Farm. Now, I don't know where. We're going to the lighthouse. This is the food area, the way to the lighthouse. They have a lot of local food. Chinese local food, sausage, corn, that. I think this is like a continuation of the Qingjing Farm. So this is going to go. Oh my gosh! Look how big! Oh my gosh! That's a huge one. Finally. And this is a plum blossom, I think. You tell me. There's so much. Ang tapad. Ang tapad. I don't know kung silang ikaon. Huwag mo ko nakapag. Do not climb the railings. Pastilan, di mamati ang shape. Di ka tigumati sa rule. Goodness. Kawa! Oh my goodness gracious. Duha na sila, besh. Asya kawa! Di lagi ka kasabaan kay nakasukaan tayo na si Jara na din. Namin na. Oh, tara. Sa mo to bang Ulo. Pagkanoon day ni nila di ay. Apa more? Oh. Wala. Ay, dara. Dara. Isa man kanon gud ang kahoy good. Wala. Isa lagi kanon ng kahoy. We are here at Qingjing Skywalk, going up to Qingjing Farm's entrance. Oh my gosh, look at that. Huh? Basin. Ang hinaman ta sa una, nakalimot na ka. These are the mountain peaks that you can see there. And this is the of Qingjing. The entrance is, I think, over there. And we're going down. And because it's almost 5 p.m., so we cannot come back here. So we exit and walk along the road. Sa to, katong paras yung mong gibid sa una. Nakanamdam pa ka? Mong gibid yun. Not to. Mutabok na, tas karsada, no? Kasi mga water. Idihan ko ni mo kutugmahuman. Kutugmahuman ng skywalk. Okay. So, we are going down. Ang kay kuan man. Ano mo na di ba ron? Uy, nakita na ang kuan. Castle. Tuwa, di ba mo to? Ang castle. Asaman? Kasi Red Bridge. Ay, ubik to. Ooh. Ano, overpass. The skywalk. And the view. Tara. That's it. Pakita daw street ang bridge.
Maklaro naman siya. Hindi maklaro.
Sa pani, uy. Kapoy na. This skywalk will be closed at 5 p.m. So we are advised to exit sa end and not go back to Qingjing Farm. So we're heading to the exit, which we don't know when and where. Not sure how many minutes we need to walk, but after we exit this skywalk, we have to walk along the road going back to our accommodation. And that's maybe an hour walk, or maybe more than an hour. Yung sunny coffee? What are these? Sweet coffee, sweet? wala na lang ang hiking sa mountains. So, naangani sa skywalk, nag-hiking. Yeah, the temperature now is dropping because it's 5 p.m. and I feel so cold now because I'm not wearing thick clothes. So, no choice. Kakayanin. My loves, hold me. The exit is here. Here, here, here. There. So where did we start? Here? Ah, yes. South shopping area. Then you walk here, and we are here now. So I think this is the last part of the skywalk. We already exited actually the skywalk, and we are here on the main road. And I think over there is a bus stop. So we're gonna take the bus going back to our accommodation. Besh, besh. We're here. And across is the entrance of the Swiss garden. Tara. So this is the bus stop. Para haha. Nah. Still have time, Paman. As you can see, we are here now. And this is the skywalk. And then here.
Isa pa na sa angkuhan pa. Pero 100% sure di ba?
Parihod now. Ja, kung ingon nga same inani nga bus.
Similar.
Yan, hira ni siya. Ano yung sakay?
Last stop?
Is it
Is
we
this-
here?
Ah, okay. Last stop.
Another walk. My goodness. Walk going back to the hotel. You know what? It is so weird because from my last video or clip, we were at the end of the skywalk, and then there's a bus stop right at the entrance or exit of the Swiss garden. And we took the bus. The bus is going up here. And for some reason, he dropped, of course, the driver. The driver dropped us at Qingjing Farm's bus stop, which we don't actually stop there because our hotel is not there. So I don't know why. We just exited. We just dropped off because we thought that it's his last stop. But I think it's not his last stop. So maybe he just assumed that we're going back to Qingjing Farm. That's why he dropped us there. So now from Qingjing Farm bus stop, we are walking again. And nindot kayo. It's foggy again. Foggy. It's cold. We don't have the pedestrian sidewalk here. So it's kind of a bit dangerous that we're walking here along the road. There. See? They don't have a sidewalk. It's just this small part of the road that we can walk. Ay mo ni ang yun ganina pink no? Pink or purple. This accommodation, we can see that from the skywalk. Ha? Katong murag hagdan-hagdan, di ba? Naras kuya, oh. My gosh! I hate drugs. Ijatanggi. Asa ka yung last stop inato? Karag drop. Walk. Walk. And today is our third day. Tomorrow is our last day. And we don't have something else to do tomorrow. We just wake up, have our breakfast, and go home. Okay, what the f- We're here. It's not raining anymore. So here is our balcony, and the view is this one. I'll show you. Here, the mountain view. But still, it's not super visible because still there's fog. So, okay. I think I paid around 8,000 plus NTD for 3 nights and 4 days, and they have free breakfast. And I heard from my friend that their cook here is a Filipino, so that's why the food is, especially the pancit canton. Super love it, and I'm looking forward to it tomorrow. And I hope naghihapon sila pancit canton. So, I think that's it for today. See you tomorrow.